These 4 outlets all stopped working at the same time, right when I tested the GFCI outlet. I tried pressing the reset button, but it didn't work. My question is this an easy fix? I rent my house and have to pay up to $75 for repairs. The landlord will cover anything more than that. Also, my landlord doesn't speak English very well, so I need a way to communicate the problem to him as simply as possible. Any help would be appreciated.
Welcome to our latest tech video, where we tackle a common electrical issue that can leave you scratching your head, a GFCI power outlet not working. Join us as we explore the potential causes and provide troubleshooting tips to restore power and ensure your electrical safety. Let's dive in. Check GFCI reset button. If it pops, it usually means you have a ground fault and need to find the source. If it goes in but still no power, it usually means it's not getting power. Check the breaker. If nothing is tripped, you have got to do some real electrical work. Open your GFCI box and inspect the wire for correct installation and test for power. If you have power at the wires and not the GFCI, you need a new GFCI. If everything is melted, you need a GFCI and to inspect the wires for damage. If no power at the wires, you might have another GFCI upstream, so look for it. If still no power, you have a wild goose chase on your hands and need to find out what's upstream and open them up and check for a loose connection or other issues. If that doesn't work and you are about to give up, you should double check the breaker and make sure it's really not tripped. You'd be surprised how many people can tell if a breaker is tripped. If any of this outside your comfort level, call a pro.
If you like this video, then don't forget to press the like button. Also, do share it with your friends and families. For more videos like these, do subscribe to Gossipfunda YouTube channel. You can read more such amazing blogs on our website. Visit gossipfunda.com. Link is in the description box. Do check it out. See you in the next video.